Welcome to this vlog, guys. Today's vlog is about my ride. I'm just packing my bag and I'll explain you on the way what this is all about. So guys, I'm leaving now from my house. This is my house in Pune. Most of you already know about it. I'm going Kharghar house. I will rest few hours and then I will go to Fountain where my friends will join me, and then we'll proceed to Unity. We are going to ride in night in order to arrive morning, so we will have entire day to see Unity and we'll stay overnight and return next day morning. So that was the plan decided by smartest captain Mr. Rajiv. Reached Lonavala, already did 60 kilometers, 40 kilometers and about 40 minutes to still go. Temperature is very comfortable, not much traffic. Now I am about to reach New Bombay in 10-15 minutes. Not easy to carry helmet in one hand, camera in another hand. Now I'm going to show you something very interesting. I'm going to show you my setup on helmet about GoPro and mic. It's very easy for me to align. Can you guys see a marking on this? This is the correct alignment of GoPro. GoPro Hero 5 requires this external attachment before we can connect any mic. This is one end of the cable coming from Rode Video Mic Compact. Can you see how this compact is lying here? One side, other end of the cable is here, which is also securing it from this side, and loop of the cable is securing the front end of Rode Video Mic. All I have to remember is before opening my modular helmet, I have to remember to remove this cable, otherwise it just snaps off. Okay guys, so plan was I have come from Pune to Kharghar in the night because we are planning a ride to Statue of Unity. If we started early morning, we would have reached in afternoon, and then we will not have any time to see anything in Statue of Unity. So we decided to ride at the middle of the night, and we will reach Unity about morning 7-8 o'clock. We'll have entire day to spend there. We'll also be spending entire night in order to gain rest. So last guy Rajiv, who lives at Godbandar Road, is late. We have crossed Vapi and now we are having a small break of tea and omelette. How many kilometers to go?
Total 241 kilometers to go until Statue of Unity.
More?
Yes.
Oh, that will be about how many hours?
4 hours.
Right.
Approximately.
4 hours drive. So we'll reach our hotel around breakfast time.
Yes.
Hotel is 150
depending where we want to take
Hotel
our...
is 150 kilometers. Too many mosquitoes here. Guys, when you're riding in night, you need to be very careful, and in lights you can easily lose your partner. He can go wrong way and end up wasting a lot of time. So to avoid all that, we are regrouping at each and every tolls, and we are also having some breaks for water, coffee, and keeping ourselves comfortable as much as possible. Kilometers from our hotel. Aditya wanted fuel, so he's filling somewhere there. Rajiv is behind, he should be here in about 5 minutes. Daylight. Okay, what are we eating?
Zoom in, zoom
Don't
out.
waste my footage. 14th morning, we are having breakfast at McDonald's. As you can see, my friends are already having a lot of fun.
14 दिन तक blackout में था.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Now what do you have to say?
This hotel is 150 kilometers from Statue of Unity. Not bad, they have allowed 3 of us to stay in one room. Yeah, exactly. We 3 can easily adjust on this bed.
This is 90 kilometers. This is 90 kilometers from Statue of Unity, not 150.
Okay, 90 kilometers. You are right. Aditya is gonna adjust himself in this small sofa. We have slept in pump room. This is
Exactly.
luxury. This is luxury. The room has a television and room has a bathroom. Flush doesn't stop. Bathroom is decent. Comb, moisturizer, talcum, conditioner, they have given everything. We can pack when we are going home. All of us just had shower and we are ready. We are going to Statue of Unity, for which we have come here. Yes. And don't forget house key. Who is gonna take? Should I take?
Yes.
Okay. 309. I will remember. We are going to use only Royal Enfield 350cc and Harley Street Bob 1600cc, and I am going to be pillion with Aditya. Statue of Unity, that's about 50 kilometers, 90. About another 40, 50 kilometers to go. We are waiting for Rajiv under the bridge. "35 kilometers to go for Statue of Unity." We are again taking a short break. We are having aloo paratha for lunch. So guys, this is the bridge and this is the first sight of Statue of Unity. It appears very big from so far. This behind me is Narmada river. Lena tu photo lena. Lots of underwater growth in this river. Looks beautiful. Finally, after waiting 5 minutes, Rajiv Menon has arrived. This is the first sight of Unity. Behind me is ticket counter for Statue of Unity. Fees is, if you wanna go direct express tickets, that's 1000 per head. Otherwise it's about 350. So I have just now purchased 3 tickets for 3000 rupees. Aditya is struggling to find a correct parking for his big Harley. Help desk require a lot of help from others because nothing is easy to find here, and we are already struggling to find parking. Now we are struggling to find where to get the bus. I think this is fairly new place and they still have to streamline things here. Once you buy ticket here, you have to make line here for bus. In case you are coming in 4-wheelers, you can get a pass and your 4-wheeler car will be allowed. They refused our 2-wheelers, so we are taking bus. This bus is supposed to be every 5 minutes. The next one is coming. Bus is supposed to be every 5 minutes, but we were waiting for almost 15 minutes for the bus. Not bad. Air condition. Not bad. People are excited. They are hoping to see something really nice.
Just because of ShipSailorSunil, few more people have started following me.
So that's the statue. World's tallest statue right in front of my eyes. It's gonna be very exciting, I hope. It's just massive. How did they make this statue so tall?
No, I cannot repeat it because I'm not very sure of that information. I just read
Whatever,
vaguely.
you tell me.
What I read was that it will withstand earthquakes and even tsunamis and all that.
Oh, okay. So inside his body is steel structures.
I think so.
Like our ship. Our ticket is 1000 rupees ticket. There are three options for ticket. 150 rupees ticket, you can only go up to the feet of Vallabhbhai Patel. If you buy 350 rupees ticket, then you can go up to his chest. And if you buy 1000 rupees ticket, you can go up to chest height without waiting in any line anywhere. That will be express ticket. Superb view. Look at that Statue of Unity marked on under the mountain. Looks fabulous. This is TK Tankers, LNG Master, human conveyor belt. This is only for express ticket people. Express ticket. Northern Master, look straight. Where are you going?
I'm going to the express viewing gallery. No, it's a viewing gallery, but I'm going in an expressway.
Okay. And what are you going to see now? Statue of Liberty?
Statue of Unity.
Oh, Statue of Unity. It's taller than Statue of Liberty.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. America. India one. It is. Now we can really appreciate how massive it is. Oh, awesome. I'm going to be on top of into the viewing gallery shortly. See, this is the benefit of express ticket. You go direct to viewing gallery. Rajiv, you come with me. I got all the tickets.
See, again, we do not have to climb stairs. Only because Sunil
And this is, this ladder is only for express ticket people.
That is what Sunil likes to think. But it is not. It is for everybody.
No need to waste time on dam now.
Only for express ticket holders. They can see the dam from here itself.
This is that historic lift which will take you to viewing gallery on top. Now we are in the viewing gallery of Vallabhbhai Patel's statue. Super view, I have to say. I can see entire dam. That's Sarovar Dam, the river. We'll just have a look on other side also. Oh, look at that road. I'm going to enter world-class washroom now. Look at this. Look at this guy. It was closed. I don't know why. They have built a washroom, but it was kept closed. They show you a detailed movie inside museum. Only one finger of his foot is like 6 feet. Guys, now we are back in hotel. Now we are going to order our dinner in room itself and then we'll sleep. Tomorrow morning we'll go back to our Mumbai. This guy will go to Thane. I will go to Pune. So I hope you guys like this vlog. If you like, please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to ShipSailorSunil. Bon voyage, happy sailing, and Jai Hind.